Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do another family recipe. And this recipe is a pineapple dream dessert. And if you want something real quick, if you got maybe company coming in, this is something you can do real quick and it's very good. So we're going to start out with 2½ cups of graham crackers. What I did was stuck them in a big plastic bag and took a rolling pin and put over them, but you can do that any way you want to. And it has 1/2 cup of melted butter. And this is your typical graham cracker crust. You know, there's a lot of those out there. They're very simple and very good. We just gotta mix this up and gonna put it in that 10-inch pie shell there. When you get it over in the pie shell, it will stick pretty good for you if you crush it, if you mash it on the side of the pie shell. But if you want something real quick, you have somebody coming in, I have that all the time, and you can make them a dessert real quick. Okay, we're going to pour this in a 10-inch pie shell. We got our graham cracker transferred to the pie shell. Now we're going to just press this around the edges. Make sure you have it divided as equal as possible because you don't want big lumps in it. You want it all to be about the same when you start serving it. Now that's mixing up real good. It looks like it's pretty evenly distributed. I think that's ready. We're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 7 minutes. It just needs to brown a little bit, and then we'll take it out and put the other ingredients in. We're going to take it out of the oven and put it on a rack, and you have to be sure and let it cool real good before you mix this other ingredients in it. So we'll go ahead and be mixing this though and have it ready. 20 ounces of crushed pineapple, and we have to drain that. We're using 16 ounces of confectioners sugar, 8 ounces, and I use this Philadelphia cream cheese, and I've left it out to soften. I think we can do this without a mixer, but if we can't, get out a mixer. When the graham cracker crust cools off, we're going to put this on the inside and then we're going to top it with a Cool Whip. Ooh, that sounds good to me already. I like pineapple. There's a lot of good recipes that has pineapple. I think we're going to be able to mix all this stuff up without using an electric mixer. In fact, I think electric mixer would mess your pineapple up. You got that cream cheese in there I'm trying to mash up. Now our graham cracker crust is cooled and we're ready to put our filling in it. This is a pineapple and a cream cheese, and this is a 10-inch pie crust. Now we put Cool Whip on top of that. This is 8 ounces. After you get all of this together, you need to leave it in the refrigerator about 4 hours. Now our graham crackers are right here. We just saved some of that to go on here. May not use all of it, I'm just going to coat it pretty good. I think it's about enough. Our pineapple dream dessert is finished, and it's a very easy recipe to do, and it's very good. I hope you try this sometime, And I hope I see you on another family video. Thank you for watching.